In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to the header or footer in BigCommerce Stencil. This process is straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. First, we need to navigate to the BigCommerce website. So, open up your preferred web browser and head over to bigcommerce.com. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and you'll see a login link. Go ahead and click on that link to enter your credentials. You'll need to input your email and password here, so make sure you have those handy. After you've filled in your details, proceed by clicking on the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged into BigCommerce, you'll be directed to the BigCommerce homepage. From the homepage, shift your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the storefront option. Click on this and it will guide you to where you need to be. Once you are in the storefront section, look for the themes option. It's typically found in the same navigation area. Click on that and you'll be taken to the section where all of your themes are displayed. In the themes area, scroll down until you see the themes currently in use. This can sometimes be a long list if you have multiple themes, so make sure to find the one you're actively wanting to edit. When you pinpoint the theme you're looking to customize, observe three small dots next to its name. Clicking on these dots will reveal a few more options, one of which is Edit Theme Files. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to confirm your selection by clicking Edit Theme Files once more. This action will open up the File Editor interface. In the File Editor, a list of folders will appear on the left-hand side. Click on Templates and next navigate to Layout. Inside this folder, find the base.html file. This is where you'll be making your changes. When you open the base.html file, you will be able to locate the specific sections for the header and footer. Place your code in the desired location within these sections, whether it be the header or footer, depending on your needs. Carefully paste your code in the appropriate area and ensure that everything is correctly inserted and formatted. After you've pasted your code, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Files option, typically found at the top or bottom of the editor interface. Click on that, and your changes will be saved. Your code is now part of your theme, enhancing or adding functionality directly within the header or footer as needed. That's it, you've successfully added custom code to your BigCommerce theme.